Want to discover a mind-blowing way to grow your wealth by more than 17% annually? Let's take a look at my portfolio since 1998. If you had invested just $10,000 then, it would have grown to over $518,000 by 2022. That's an average annual growth rate of a staggering 17.89%. Now, compare that to the S&P 500's measly 8.76% per year. The difference is mind-boggling. I know what you're thinking. This must be some high-risk strategy. Well, prepare to be amazed. Even during the worst year since 1998, my portfolio only experienced a small loss of less than 2%. In contrast, the S&P 500 suffered a gut-wrenching plunge of over 37%. Can you believe it? We'll talk about the risks a bit more in a moment. But first, let's compare my portfolio with those of renowned hedge fund managers. Harry Brown's permanent portfolio, Mebane Faber's Ivy portfolio, and Ray Dalio's all-season portfolio since 2008. The graphs talk by themselves, but let's analyze the result in detail. Since 2008, my portfolio has outperformed them all with an average annual return of 16.7%. While they achieved only 6.7%, 4.8%, and 7.8% respectively. Amazing, right? Also note that our portfolio made the best year of the four, made the best worst year, and has a max drawdown barely higher than two of them, and much lower than the third one. At the end of 2022, since 2008, with a $10,000 investment, we got more than $87,000 instead of $19,000, $24,000, and $28,000 respectively. Not bad, right? But wait, there's more. As you can see, since 2016, my portfolio gave amazing returns of 22.3% per year with a max drawdown of only minus 15.4%. But we can do even better and boost those results. That's where my secret booster comes in. With this little gem, my portfolio skyrocketed to a jaw-dropping 29.8% per year since 2016, without increasing the drawdown or barely. Imagine turning a $10,000 investment into over $47,000 by 2022. The possibilities are mind-blowing. So what about the risks? Well, every investment has risks, whether in the stock market, in real estate, in business creation, in cryptocurrencies, or anything else. But some strategies are less risky than others. In my portfolio, I select high-quality stocks that weather financial crisis and bear markets like champions. Plus, I use specific indicators to exit the market in case of bad signals, which could indicate we are entering a bear trend or a crisis. And with my well-diversified portfolio, one bad apple won't spoil the bunch. But don't take my word for it though. Check out the drawdown history since 1998 and the table showing drawdowns during the various past crises. You'll see how my portfolio outshines the S&P 500 with its resilience. Even during major crisis, my maximum drawdown was only around minus 20% and is rarely more than minus 10%, while the S&P 500 plummeted more than minus 50% and is often more than minus 20%. That's some serious stability. Still hesitant about investing in the stock market? Take a moment to see the potential growth for yourself and form your own opinion. I understand that not everyone can immediately put $10,000 into investments. The best part is you don't need a fortune to get started. Let's explore a different scenario using the official site investor.gov to calculate the growth over time with a 17.89% annual return on investment. Let's say you make a small investment of $1,000 and contribute $100 monthly. Here's how your savings would grow over time. After 5 years, your investment would grow to $10,843.56, with a total contribution of $7,000. After 10 years, it would reach $33,256.47, with a total contribution of $13,000. After 20 years, you would have a substantial sum of $200,526.71, with a total contribution of $25,000. And after 30 years, get ready for the big reveal because your investment would soar to $1,067,854.30 with a total contribution of $37,000. Now, let's fast forward to a jaw-dropping timeline. After a remarkable 70 years with just an $85,000 investment, your worth would skyrocket to an astonishing $776,794,997.02. $770 million! Can you believe it? As you can see, the key factor here is time, not the initial investment amount. Even with smaller contributions, your wealth can grow significantly over the years. It's never too early to start investing and let the power of compounding work its magic. So, the message is clear. You need to start investing as soon as possible. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth. Don't let hesitation or doubts hold you back. Take that first step towards financial independence and watch your money work for you. The sooner you start, the brighter your financial future will be. Still worrying about the price for assessing this portfolio? Let's talk numbers. To give you access to this mind-blowing portfolio, I could easily charge a hefty fee, but I believe in fairness and making sure it's a worthwhile investment for you. If it gets you more than it costs you, then it's a worthwhile investment. So let's crunch some numbers and see the amazing potential this portfolio holds. Imagine starting with an initial investment of just $1,000 and adding $100 each month. After 20 years, because you could have more than $200,000 in your pocket, that's a net gain of $175,526 after deducting your contributions. It's like earning an average of $731.35 per month. Not bad, right? But wait, it gets even better. If you keep up that initial investment of $1,000 and the monthly contributions of $100 for a full 30 years, you could have over $1 million in your hands. That's a net gain of $1,030,854 after deducting your contributions. In other words, an average monthly gain of $2,863.48. Now we're talking serious money. Now, here comes the exciting part. I could charge you half of what this portfolio will bring you, and you'd still be getting a fantastic deal. Just think, earning over $2,800 per month. But here's the kicker. I won't even charge you a third of the lowest number of $731.35 per month discussed earlier. Nope, not gonna happen. Instead, you can access this game-changing portfolio today for just $49 per month. That's 731 divided by 15. That's a mind-boggling minus 93% discount on the original price. So are you ready to seize this opportunity and unlock your financial potential? For a small investment, you'll gain access to a strategy that could bring you life-changing returns. Keep in mind that these numbers don't even account for the secret booster that can further amplify your gains. Don't let this chance slip away. Join the ranks of smart investors and start your journey towards financial freedom. Think of the incredible returns that await you over time. And remember, time is your most valuable asset, and this is your chance to make it count. So don't wait another minute. Start investing as soon as possible, and let your money work its magic.